the 2024. Umpisa natin ito sa junior division. Sa kanila, special awards. Honor, Rookie of the Year from Team Aces. We may call on Mr. James De La Vega. The most improved player from Team Brooks. We may call on Mr. Jay Pulupay.
Present award with on as chairperson of the Terminal. And to mark the most defensive player, he is from Team Amigos. May we call on Mr. Axel Rosales. For sportsmanship award from Team Aces, Mr.
Brian Manuel Pugay. And for the last special award, Mr. 3-point King with a total overall average score of 23 points. Shot from Team Amigos, Mr. Chandray Tita. Nagpakita ng lakas, gilas, talino at determinasyon. We can call on from Team Mega, Mr. CJ Padilla.
And from the winners, Mr. Jante Perez.
And from Team Brooks, we may call on Mr. John Carlos Perez. And from Team Amigos, may we call on Mr. Kenzie Morales. And for the last one, from Team Brooks, Mr. Emerson Villanueva. In the Summer League Basketball Shopper Tournament Season 1, Junior Division, held on Barangay Buganan, Nasa Batangas, multi-purpose covered court.
And the Dreamers. And now, for the last team, Team Amigos. To give the plaque appreciation will be given to Mr. Felipe Moreno Jr. For Senior Division, the most improved player is coming from Team Tripons. He is Mr. Jackson Tusen. Defensive player from Team Hansen. He is Mr. Mark Asuncion. Team Tripons, Mr. Jerome Ayala. With a total overall average score of 46 3-point shots from Team Princess Resort, Mr. Renzo Camilo. Ito po ang award na ito ay buong liga sa pagpapakita ng 3-point shots. Natin at sa mga kapatid na nagbigay pugay. Ay, pugay ba? Pugay ba? Nagaling na siya at takas. We may call on Mr. from Team Arbiter, Mr. Montreal Pigallo. Part of Mythical 5 from Team Jobbler, Mr. Mark Ramirez. Mr. Raymond Solis. Lahat po na nagpito sa Mythical 5, ang naging resulta ay galing po sa ating overall points. From Team Princess Resort, the legendary Mr. Jeff Albanyo. Team Princess Resort, Mr. Ray Migallo. Best outside keeper from Team Green Gladiators, Mr. Aldrin Manlani.
Yan, volleyball naman po yung ina-announce ngayon. Tapos na po ang basketball. Yan po, volleyball pa rin po yan. Yan, third placer po yan, basketball. Yan po, second placer, junior division.
First placer, Team Amigos.
First placer po yan.
The team who gets the title, our champion, Team Bros.
Yan, champion naman po yan, Team Bros. Yan po sila yan. Yan po guys, third place.
Juggler. And the
Sa second placer po, Team Juggler. Senior Division.
Team Ansett.
Yan, first placer, Senior Division pa rin po. Basta junior kanina. Yan, senior naman po. First place po sila. Yan naman po ang championship, ang champion ng senior division, Princess Resort.